appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Rap. Tell you no excuses.
Mr. No Excuse. What?
Woo! Alright, y'all. This is your guy. Rap back in the video. Sing. How y'all been? I know y'all probably miss me as much as I miss you guys as well. Alright, so we're gonna talk a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I've been gone, MIA. You know, I had to go step away and handle the man's business upstairs. We had a feast day. We had a great time. So I had to get away for a little bit and handle, you know what I'm saying, handle that first. But we're back, alright? And yes, what you see here is not deceiving your eyes. Because I have a reputation that it seems to be with cereal. And yeah, you know, you got your classic. Nice. Nah, I'm not going to say this is a classic yet. I'm not going to say it's a classic yet. But this, I tried this for the first time today. Not too bad. I give it a strong 6. I say that because this ain't just something I will buy. But you bought it for me. Alright. Next, we have a classic Cookie Crisp. I mean, who don't like Cookie Crisp, right? And then next, you have honeycombs. Honeycomb, I used to love eating this as a kid. And then last but not least, Reese's Puff. I know, the special K is gone, and it ain't over here. It's gone, alright? But look though, all this, all the jokes, all the laughter and all that stuff about cereal rapping, don't get this guy, alright? It's gonna be okay, alright? Don't let the people tear us apart, okay? So we gonna take the time away. But I gotta show these people that I eat more than just cereal, okay? We're gonna be okay, right? We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be alright. Okay? But I gotta do what's best for us. Alright? Yep. So today what we're gonna do, cooking with no excuses, right? Oh yeah. Got my little juice right here, cranberry juice. Man. We're gonna make a homemade classic. Alright? We're making cheeseburgers. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, we're gonna start off light, you know what I'm saying? With the cooking with no excuses. Cooking with no excuses, right? Alright, so look. We're gonna start off light. We're gonna start with the classic homemade burgers, alright? I'm gonna show you how to do this. So, you don't need much either. You got your nice burger patties right there. Pepper. Got this Larry season, alright? This is gonna be for the fries, so we're not gonna do that. But got your buns. And where's my cheese? And then you got your cheese. Alright, wash your hands. Alright, not only wash your hands, if you're not wearing gloves, cut your fingernails. Especially if you're cooking for people's food, alright? Cooking other people's food, you want to cut your fingernails, man, because, you know what I mean? You want to cut the bad boys, alright? When you're making meatloaf, burgers, anything, when you got to dump your hand into, cut your fingernails if you're not wearing gloves. It's just safety. It's just cautious, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so while this heating up, I want to show y'all something cool, alright? So, yes, at 28, it is what it is. But your boy got his, you know what I'm saying, got a driver's license. You hear me? So, very great accomplishment, if I may say. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping to hopefully to get my first car next month. But anyway, we're gonna check. Gotta wash my hands again. Be right back. Alright, so look. After you did all that, you wanna come over here, this is how you check. Let's see if your skillet is ready. Alright. Get your light little water. Is that thing talking back to me? It's talking back to me. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's ready. We're gonna put our seasoning on this bad boy. Now I ain't have a lot of seasoning, so I gotta do a little shopping, but we're gonna start off with pepper. Put some pepper on this bad boy. Get some nice little Larry's. Nice little bit. And then you wanna rotate that bad boy. Same size. We're gonna take this bad boy right here. It's already. You hear that talking to you? You hear that talking to me? Talk to me, baby. Alright, y'all. So look, we'll let this bad boy cook for a little bit. You gotta clean as you go. One thing for certain, you don't want to be that brother that always flipping 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You don't want to do all that. Just let it cook. They don't need your help. Alright? Just let it do its thing. I'm going to clean up a little bit. The things that I don't need, you want to cook as you go. Especially if you're like, you know what I'm saying, you got a assistance object like a wheelchair, walker, or anything like that. You want to clean as you go. That by the time you're done, you won't have a whole lot to clean up. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this frying situated. Cooking. Alright, y'all, so look. I'm gonna put this cheese on. Put the cheese on. Oh yeah. Alright, so look. Nice little cheese, you wanna let that thing melt. Wait for the one time. Put the cheese on. Oh yeah. So while that does that, I'm gonna get my plate. I'm gonna put my plate real quick. Okay, the fries are ready. The oil is ready. So we're gonna put some oil in this bad boy. Put some oil in this bad boy. There we go. There we go. I got it on low. So I'm gonna pop me in the face. Get these buns. Get these buns. Oh, look at that. See the cheese melted, dripping in it. Yeah. Come on now. Look at that. Alright, so now, this right here. Buns on top. Put the buns on top. On top. Oh yeah. And then a spatula. Alright. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see. My fries. That nice little crunch. I'm gonna change this plate. That's situated. That's done. My buns. That's it. Are we good to go? Alright. Alright. So look. A nice little. Alright, y'all. So now, I clean this out. Get my drink. Right here. Oh, look. I got this plate. I'm gonna have to change plate because it has a little bit too much oil. Damn. My damn knife. Hold on. Let me get my knife real quick. Alright, so now the stove off. Cause you don't want to burn it down the house, right? So stove is off. Get this right here. Right here, here. Some of y'all use maybe I just like salmon spray that bad boy. So, hey, if y'all like this, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all would like for me to have cook next. I really came unprepared, really. But we're not gonna use no excuse around here, right? Alright, so put it here. Put that right there. Yes, sir. Alright. And throw this away. Alright. I ain't making enough fries like I wanted to. But that's enough. That's enough. And you wanna add your bad boy. Catch up on that bad boy right there. Yeah, I knew it wasn't open. Fresh. Hold on. Alright. See? Singing brothers. We do alright. Nice. Might end up making more fries. Cause it really ain't enough. But we're waiting for the grand finale. Now you know it's cooked when it's, you know what I'm saying? When it's ain't no pink in it. So we're gonna try that bad boy out. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? You know, only thing I gotta do for the thumbnail right there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Try this bad boy out. That's fries. Crispy, just like I like it. Crispy, just like I like it. Grand finale. Now it's time for the burger. Let's see. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Come on, man. No, I'm not that baby. I'm not that baby. Right here. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. See you when I see you. Peace.